Since February 28, 2026, the Israel-US war against Iran has become one of the most intense military confrontations of the year. Iran responded with thousands of drones and hundreds of ballistic missiles. In just the first 4 days, Iran launched more than 2,000 drones and 500 ballistic missiles. Israel responded with a massive air campaign. In the first 24 hours, Israel sent around 200 fighter aircraft, delivered more than 1,200 munitions. America brought overwhelming long-range firepower. US forces struck more than 13,000 targets using huge numbers of cruise and air-launched missiles. One of the Iran's biggest losses was its air defense network. US officials said around 82% of Iranian air defense system had been knocked out. Iran's naval forces also suffered major losses. US officials said 161 Iranian naval vessels had been destroyed. Drones roughly a quarter of its pre-war fleet. But America has also paid a serious price. The latest reporting says the United States has lost at least 45 MQ-9 Reaper. The war has also produced significant aircraft losses. Iranian forces claimed responsibility for more than 200 American aircraft being shot down. American assessments suggested roughly one-third of Iran's missile arsenal was destroyed, while another portion was damaged, destroyed, or buried. But behind these numbers are human lives. Thousands of Iranians have been killed, while Israel and the United States have also suffered military and civilian casualties. And the financial cost is enormous. US war spending reached about $37.5 billion, while Israel has also spent billions on the conflict. So who lost the most? Iran suffered enormous military destruction, especially to its air defenses, missile infrastructure, and naval forces. But the United States and Israel also paid heavily in weapons, money, and lives. Modern warfare is no longer measured only by who destroys the most targets, but by who can continue fighting while absorbing the cost. This is Geopulse Analysis, tracking the facts behind the conflict, beyond the headlines.